Hi and welcome to Hands-On Education. Today we will find out about the layers of Earth. There are 4 layers of Earth, including the crust, the mantle, the outer core and the inner core. We live on Earth's crust, and some of Earth's crust is covered by oceans. The crust is on the very outside of the Earth. The crust is made from solid rock and is the thinnest layer of Earth. It is formed from tectonic plates which can move. Next is the mantle. The mantle is the thickest layer of Earth, measuring 2,900 kilometers. It is made from hot molten rock called magma, which can be described as having a gooey consistency. Then there is the outer core. The outer core is so hot it is a liquid. Some scientists believe it is made from iron and nickel. It measures about 2,200 kilometers. Finally, at the center of Earth is the inner core. It is extremely hot, however, there is so much pressure surrounding the core that it is solid like a rock. It is about 2,400 kilometers across. No one has ever traveled to the center of Earth, and scientists use models and diagrams to share their ideas about what they believe is inside. For your hands-on activity, create different models to show the layers of Earth and compare the models to see which is the most effective. For more information about this activity and more related activities, please go to handsoneducation.com Volcanoes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and we will see you soon. Bye.